Welcome to Ridgely Reserve. D.R. Horton's most sought-after community, just one exit into Harford County, we offer something for everyone. We have a variety of floor plans to fit everyone's needs. Conveniently located 1 mile into Harford County off the Fallston Joppa exit, roughly 10 minutes from downtown Bel Air or the Avenue at White Marsh. Enjoy shopping, dining, and tons of entertainment nearby. Ridgely Reserve is a beautiful, spacious, tree-lined community with an abundant green space, parks, ball fields, and walking trails. All of the floor plans at Ridgely's Reserve wide open floor plans, spacious kitchens, 2-car garages, and 4 bedrooms. All of our homes come with smart features, built-in, stone countertops, and other features that we'll tell you about when you visit the community. All of our owner suites are very spacious. They include walk-in closets and large bathrooms with tile, luxury vinyl plank, and granite countertops. Our villa-style townhome is beautiful, spacious, with an open floor plan, a huge gourmet island, a 2-car garage, and 4 spacious bedrooms upstairs. Coming up the open staircase into the loft area, you'll find your 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and your laundry area. Call today to schedule your appointment. We can't wait to show you around Ridgely's Reserve.